Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wise easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type wise.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the download button. Click the download button to begin the download process. The installation file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the Wise installation file, which should be named something like wiseinstaller.exe. Double-click the installation file to launch the installer. If prompted by a user account control window, click Yes to allow the installation. The Wise setup window will appear. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu and click Next. Review the license agreement and click I agree to continue. Select the installation type you prefer, such as typical or custom. If you choose custom, select the components you wish to install and click Next. Choose the destination folder for the installation or leave it set to the default location. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait a few moments while Wise installs on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation window. Click Finish to exit the installer. You can now find Wise in your list of installed programs. Double-click the Wise icon to launch the application. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to set up your profile. Congratulations, Wise is now installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.